How to remove payment method from Shopify. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to remove your payment method in your Shopify account. So for that, just open your Shopify account and just log into your account, and after that just click on the settings icon from the bottom left, and here in the My Store section you will see the option called payments. Just click on it, and now on the payment section you will see all the payment method that you have attached to your Shopify account. Like I have just added my bogus payment method as my payment provider, and you can also add manual payment methods as well. So in order to remove that, all you have to do is just click on the payment method that you have selected and click on deactivate. And you can also remove your payment provider as well, so just click on manage from the top, and here just click on deactivate. So this is how you will be able to remove your payment method in your Shopify account. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.